Well, good morning, everybody. Today's video is going to be more about, I don't know, well, it's going to start at least with a little bit of safety stuff. I just woke up, and as you can see, my eyes are really swollen. They're really dry. I had one of the worst nights I've ever had, and I've been through a lot of shit. Yesterday, when I was welding, I was really concerned about the galvanized fumes coming off of the steel that I was welding because the E-track had a galvanized coating on it. Usually I get the painted style and I just grind it off and then I just weld it. But galvanized puts off a fume that's dangerous. And so I was wearing a respirator. So my respirator would not fit underneath my welding helmet. So I was using, you probably noticed in the video, but I was using these welding goggles, and I've used them before and they work great. I like them, but I fear they're probably not very good for like long-term welding, not long-term, but what I was doing yesterday. So I got what they call arc burn in my eyes, and let me tell you, it was some of the worst pain that I've experienced, and it was all night long. And I can see now, I couldn't even walk to the bathroom last night. It was so painful. But yeah, so be careful when you're welding. I thought I was being safe, and apparently I wasn't. I'm all burnt down here, my forehead. I'm never welding with those glasses again. All right, so I ran a bunch of errands this morning. I feel a lot better. My eyes, I think, look a lot better. There's still sunburn down here pretty bad, but I got to get something done. I came home after going to get a COVID test for a surgery I have coming up. Went and had breakfast. And came home and I went back to sleep because I didn't sleep at all last night. So yeah, I'm gonna get something done. I'm gonna get some carts over here. I'm gonna cut up that piece of plastic, get rid of that, throw it in my dumpster. And first, gotta feed the goats. I completely forgot about them this morning before I left. Look how excited they are. What's up, ladies? Hi. A little treat for them first, because I was bad and I didn't feed them this morning. A little chip of hay. There you go, you two. Have at it. How excited they are. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna move the Baja out of the way and start pushing some carts over and loading them up inside that sea container. There's a special code you gotta put in to get the thing to start, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'll show you the last two.
that's out of the way. Yeah. It was right there in my way. It's my route for the cart's gonna go around here into that sea container. And one more thing I gotta do before I start pushing carts in here. I need to get my tractor. Let me bring these chain motor boxes out here to the front and stack them, because this is just taking up way too much space and all this crap on top. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that next. Cory's here.
Cat.
So I made some pretty good progress, even though I started out pretty slow this morning. All these carts in here. Yep. And Cory's gonna help me with the rest of it. He doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna help me with the rest of it. Right, Cory?
Who said? No, my arms are broken.
He can't quite handle the
Shut up.
52 foot
53.
53 footer.
53-foot box with a 21-foot tractor, baby. Come on.
We're gonna go. I'm gonna show you the other sea container had progress over here. That's pretty sweet. Still a mess, but look at how much more room I got in here now. All those carts out of here. Just gotta get the rest of this business out of here, and I am good. Start pulling cars in. I gotta clean this up too, but yeah. What are you gonna say?
Did all that shit come out of here?
No, it came out of here.
What are you using this for?
That's full.
No, this.
Cars. right, well, I'm about done. I'm going to cut this piece of plastic up here so I can dump it in the dumpster, throw this stuff back inside the sea container, and call it a day.
Lee, you went from making movies to being in movies.
Ow! It's not a movie.
Look at the cat. Yeah, it is, dude. It's Lee's movie.